Hello, I'm Jared Plaisance and I'm participating in the Engineering 122 design project as a mechanical engineering undergraduate. I am introducing a cost-effective smart light system. This system works similarly to the weight or magnetic strips found commonly under roads at intersections. The difference is that this product can easily sense traffic and vehicles stopped at a light to determine how the light should react without destroying a road. This product is meant to sit alongside roads for easy maintenance, installation, and uninstalling. I am using an Arduino Uno paired with 4 IR sensors and 12 LEDs. This project pairs mostly with the civil and electrical engineering disciplines. In this view, I am representing a vehicle driving up to an empty intersection. As a vehicle approaches the IR sensor, it will read that the car is there alone and will determine if it should change signals. In this final view, 2 vehicles approach the signal from different directions. The IR sensors will detect that there is traffic and will act normally on a timer.